New this morning, just days after President Biden gave the green light, U.S. officials tell CNN that Ukraine is firing the first powerful U.S.-made longer-range missiles inside Russia. Moscow has said this constitutes direct U.S. participation, and it's being seen by the Kremlin as a major escalation of a conflict that began 1,000 days ago. Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky is warning about what's ahead if Vladimir Putin isn't stopped.
Russia has officially unveiled its first robot army, signaling a groundbreaking shift in military technology and innovation. This development raises pressing questions. Could these machines redefine the future of warfare? And are we entering a new era of automated conflict? The centerpiece of Russia's robotic ambitions is FEDOR, a humanoid robot designed for extreme situations in space exploration. Standing 180 centimeters tall and weighing between 105 and 106 kilograms, FEDOR showcases extraordinary capabilities. It can shoot with both hands, drive vehicles, unlock doors with a key, and even operate tools like fire extinguishers and saws. These skills position FEDOR as a versatile asset for life-saving operations, such as rescuing individuals from collapsed buildings or performing intricate tasks in outer space. FEDOR's physical abilities are equally impressive, as it has achieved world record-worthy feats, including performing both transverse and longitudinal splits. These demonstrations highlight the robot's potential for tackling diverse and demanding challenges. However, the journey hasn't been without setbacks. After revelations about its advanced shooting abilities, sanctions were imposed, halting the supply of foreign-made components like sensors, cameras, and gears. In response, Russian developers shifted to domestic alternatives, ensuring FEDOR's continued evolution. Work on the robot began in 2014, and it was first unveiled to the public in 2016. At the Army 2022 exhibition in Moscow, Russia showcased another technological marvel, a robot dog equipped with a grenade launcher. Designed by the company Intellect Machine, this robotic canine is capable of reconnaissance, delivering medical supplies, and even engaging in combat scenarios. It can patrol territories, transport weapons, and provide support in both military and civilian emergencies. However, the design closely resembles a Chinese unitary robotics model, leading to accusations of imitation. Despite the controversy, the robot dog highlights Russia's efforts to merge artificial intelligence, mobility, and weaponry. Looking ahead, Russia plans to develop avatar robots within the next decade, aiming to replace human soldiers on the battlefield. These machines could be anthropomorphic, mimicking human form, or non-anthropomorphic, built purely for practical functions. Developers envision these robots navigating rough terrains, offering first aid, and seamlessly integrating into human environments. With capabilities rivaling human operators, these avatar robots could significantly alter the dynamics of future warfare. Among Russia's most formidable creations is the Uran-9, an unmanned combat vehicle equipped with a 30mm automatic cannon, machine guns, flamethrowers, and anti-aircraft missiles. Measuring 4.5 meters in length and weighing 10 tons, the Uran-9 has already been tested in combat during the Syrian conflict. While it demonstrated effectiveness, testing also revealed technical challenges that highlight the complexities of developing such advanced systems. The Marker robotic platform is another key development, designed for autonomous operations. It can travel up to 1,000 kilometers, carry heavy loads, and evacuate the wounded. The platform's versatility makes it suitable for urban and battlefield scenarios alike. Russia's commitment to robotic advancements is also evident in the Platform M, a remotely operated armored robot armed with grenade launchers and machine guns. This robot is designed for reconnaissance, target engagement, and providing fire support while minimizing direct human involvement in combat. These innovations reflect Russia's determination to close the technological gap with global leaders like the United States and China. While challenges remain, the development of robotic systems capable of performing both military and humanitarian tasks could mark the dawn of a new era in robotics and warfare. What do you think about these advancements? Could robotic armies become the norm in future conflicts?